Okay, thanks for watching. So in this video we will evaluate sine of I. For that, let's go to the Euler's identity first. From Euler's identity we know e to the I theta, this is same as cosine of theta plus I times sine of theta, and e to the negative I theta, this is same as cosine of theta minus I times sine of theta. Now we want to find the sine of theta, so we will subtract this equation from this equation. So let's do it real quick, and by subtracting we will get e to the I theta minus e to the negative I theta. This is equal to, here cosine theta and cosine theta will cancel out, and here we are left with 2i times sine of theta. Now we want to isolate this sine of theta, so let's divide both sides by 2i, and we will get sine of theta equal to e to the I theta minus e to the negative I theta over 2i. Okay, we are going to use this idea right here. So here we have sine of I, so instead of theta we will plug in I. So sine of I, this is same as e to the I times, for theta we will plug in I, minus e to the negative I times, again for theta we will write I, over this 2i. Now I times I means I square, and I square is -1. So here we have e to the -1 minus e to the, here negative I square, this is same as negative times -1, so this is equal to 1. So here we have only e over 2i, and now this I does not like to be at the denominator, we want to write it at the numerator. For that we are going to multiply both top and bottom with I. So here is the deal, and now let's see, here again I square is equal to -1, so this is negative e to the -1 minus e over 2 times I, right? Now let's distribute this negative, so we have e minus e to the -1 over 2 times I, and you can stop right here, or if you don't like this you can use a calculator, and this is approximately 1.1752, and this I, this is the value of e minus e to the -1 over 2. But there is another cool thing that you can do with this guy. We know that sin of x, or hyperbolic sine of x, this is same as e to the x minus e to the -x over 2. And now if you plug in 1, so you will get sin of 1. Now plug in 1 instead of x, so sin of 1, this is same as e to the 1, that is still e, minus e to the -1 over 2. Okay, so here e to the 1 is e, and see this thing is this guy. So instead of this we can write sin of 1, or hyperbolic sine of 1 times I. So of course we can say that sine of I, this is same as sin of 1 times I. Isn't that cool? Okay, thanks for watching, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe.